Up for sale, 1952 Chevy pickup, finished in off-white with brown interior. I'm going to walk around and tell you about the car, fire it up and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 52 Chevy pickup. It's finished in an off-white with brown interior. Frame off restored 142.5 miles ago. Off-white paint, brown interior, 6-cylinder motor, 3-speed manual trans. It has front disc brakes on it. Beautiful attention to detail on the truck throughout. All the chrome is new, the glass is new, the trim is new. Really not too many flaws on the car, so I'm going to walk around it and point anything out that I do see. We'll fire it up and then we will drive it as normal. So, right off the bat in this front section, the only thing that I know is wrong is there's a chip on the bumper that was touched up. Other than that, the bumper is beautiful. The lower section is beautiful. This section here is nice as well as that. And the hood's beautiful too. I mean, let me get up on that. Let me pop the hood quickly. Nice factory painted underhood for sure. The firewall's gorgeous. Nice attention to detail throughout the engine compartment. Here's the 6-cylinder motor, and all the wires are tidy. Another nice thing, you see the aluminum radiator there, and inner fender wells are gorgeous, both sides, as well as this side looking nice and tidy as well here. You see that, you see the intake and whatnot, carb, which pretty much looks like new. So, there's not too many imperfections in the paint. I know there's one right there, and there's a couple on this lip down there. Because the nice thing about it is there's no Bondo. This lip is all steel the whole way around. You feel that little roll on it. It's got the visor on there, which looks great. Anything here? Nope, nothing on this door. And another nice thing is between this, obviously being a frame off, this section's painted nicely as well. In here, behind there, under there, and again, there's no Bondo or anything. A couple marks right there in the paint. Another one right there. All the weather stripping is obviously new. The whole interior is new. This new, this new, this new, this new. The felt is new. The handle's new. Even the locking system is new. You see the tag. Oh, and I got the, okay, so it's got smaller steering wheel in it. Right here I have the original one with the horn button still in place. So you have that. You can put that on if you want, which is in actually very nice condition. The bench seat's gorgeous, and I love the color. Nice attention to detail in the headliner section. You know, they could have just left this all metal, put a piece of felt in there. No, they went the right way. They did it to the full extent that they could, even with the visors and all. They put turn signals on there, and it's got dolphin gauges, which is a nice, not just a nice gauge, but, you know, very pretty gauges to put in it. I said turn signals already, I believe. You see the restored Chevy heater box down there. So there's the 142.5. Let's keep going. The bed on the truck is beautiful. They did an amazing job doing this, as well as this. This wood's been nicely done as well. The paintwork is laser straight on this. Not that there's too many straight body panels to do it, but like the fenders are nice. Obviously, the cab's nice. You got the white painted bumper in the back with the Chevrolet in white on the tailgate. I know there's another couple touch-ups right there on the white painted bumper. There's a little dog here. You can see a little bit better in there. You stand up here, show you the top. As you'd expect. Will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video, so if you want to check it out, go ahead, let us know. Again, the carpet's excellent. Even the paintwork that they did down there, there's nice attention to detail on that. Trying to think if there's anything I missed. Frame off restored 52 Chevy pickup. See right there. There's a little chip that's been touched up right there. Again, frame off restored Chevy pickup, 6-cylinder motor, 3-speed manual trans. Front disc brakes, which is a very nice thing to do on this truck. Here's a little glimpse of the frame in there. And over there, where the shocks are, you see that. That's very nice. So we're gonna fire it up now and drive it. It actually runs and drives like a dream. I might hop in the truck for a little driving of it, get a better idea with that. So again, thanks for watching. Leave a like, and here we go. All right, here we go. We're gonna fire it up now.